Okay, this is Dean with Simply Be Found doing a quick training video on photos, and for some reason my camera's not working, so you're getting to see just the screen. So from the home page, you can see right here that we have a to-do list we talk about, and it's been a while since we've created a photo. And if we click yes, we'll end up on the same screen that I'm going to show you how to get to with the tools. But this is just to remind you that it's been a while since you've done a photo, so you want to click yes. But anyway, so we're going to go over to the left panel to our tools, and we're going to click photos. We're going to upload a photo, and that's we're going to choose to add a photo from our computer, and we're going to upload this. I'm going to choose that one right there. You can see right from the image that it's a little bit funky. It's a little bit not quite the way I want it to look at. You can see the preview here of what you're going to see. So I'm going to grab this. Come on. Can't get my hands on that. There it is. Okay, there we go. And let's put this back over here. And that over there. And that is the preview that we're looking at. So I'm going to crop the image. And this is what I want. So we're going to go ahead and put in a photo title. This is recommended to be done. And I've already created one, so I'm going to go ahead and type that in there. This is a custom chenille embroidered patch. And we're going to go ahead and say publish now. As soon as we do that, it's going to go to our Google business profile. And right there it is. It shows it's published. And if we go back to the home page, just to show you real quick, the photo thing is still here for you. But when you click it here, it will make that go away. But so this is just a reminder that you do need to do a photo. If I do click, like I said, if I do click a yes, you see I end up in the same location with the same modal to add a photo. So you can see how that process works with the to-do list. So that's everything we have for creating a photo for you. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe us and leave a comment. If there's anything else you want us to video for you on training, please let us know, and I'll be happy to do that for you. Have a great day. Thank you for using Simply Be Found. Bye.